Hi everybody, I am Johir speaking before you all. Thanks for clicking and watching my video. Right now, I welcome all of you to my English class, and also I would like to take something else. Okay, there is a mango. Just I got a mango, and that is of course very favorite food, and I like it so much. Just I'm fond of having such a mango, and everybody knows, everybody believes this is so nutritious, so delicious. There is no doubt, and mangoes are so sweet. So however, but there is something that I need to talk to you guys. Why I got such a mango, why I would like to show such a mango. Of course there is the honest reason behind it. Okay, however, something quite so serious for this class. Actually, a lot of people ask me more than once about this matter, and they ask me about very formal English, changing their formal vocabulary into less formal or informal. However, so let's look at the whiteboard and let's have a look. And right now I have written here formal to informal. Of course I have told here I got a mango. Okay, and how do the native speakers say this word or this sentence, especially featuring the verb get? I think you guessed the point. I think you got the point. Okay, formal to informal featuring the verb get. That's our today's lesson. So I told you here I got a mango, and that was so nutritious, and I was so happy after getting the mango. So however, right now I would like to introduce to you here, there is the featuring the verb of get. So get is used here as the simple present, and get is and got is used here as the simple past, and gotten is used here as the simple as past participle form. Of course we have an idea about that, and first of all we have to look at such a verbs. So the verb has been changed in a different way. First one is get, second one is got, third one is gotten. Okay, present form, past form, and past participle form. And the second thing is that have plus pp, and gotten may be changed in a different way. Have plus pp means have past participle form, and has plus pp. It's okay, you are right. Right now, what's the specific reason? Why have I arranged such a class? What's the honest motive, and what I designed here? You can look at first example, that is I received an email, a letter. It's okay. And the second one, she bought a ticket. And the third one, they arrived home at 7 a.m. or p.m. Okay, and the next one, he didn't understand the joke. It's okay. And the next one, I developed a rush. And the last one, I'm becoming mad. Okay, it's okay. But the native speakers say in a different way this sentence. Just how they say that, how they express that, or how they use the expression in just speaking. So I would like to cooperate you. Look at that, my dear. First sentence, that is I received an email, a letter. So native speakers, most of the time native speakers say I got an email, though receipt is the past form, and instead of receipt they use here got. Just they say here I got an email or a letter. So could you please tell me, I got an email or a letter, is it formal or informal? Of course I got an email or a letter, that is informal. So how to make it formal? Already I wrote here I received an email or a letter, that is formal sentence. So informally I can say here the second sentence in the same way, she bought a ticket or I bought a ticket. So instead of bought, if I say here I got a ticket, that's also right. But native speakers say more than once, she got a ticket or I got a ticket. Okay, that is informal sentence. And the third one, they arrived home at 7 a.m. they arrived home. But I arrived home at 7 a.m. or we arrived home at 7 a.m. That's not a problem. But the real thing is that whenever the native speakers are going to apply this sentence, they say that they got home. Yes, you're right. They got home at 7 a.m. And the next one, he didn't understand. That is the negative sentence, though that is in simple past. He didn't understand the joke. So they say here, especially those who are the native speakers, they say here, they didn't or he didn't get the joke, because understand is present form or simple present. So they use here in a simple, so in the same way, if I use the get, of course that will be get. So he didn't get the joke. He didn't get the joke, or I didn't get the joke. And the next one, I developed a rush. It's okay, I developed a rush. Those who are native speakers, they say in an informal way, they say here, I developed. They never say here I developed. They say here I got a rush. I got a rush. It's okay. Or if I say here I got a nap, they never say here I developed a nap. They say here I got a nap. It's okay. Next one, I'm becoming mad. I'm becoming mad. But native speakers say that is formal. I'm becoming mad. But informally they say here I'm getting mad. I'm getting mad. Are you getting mad? Oh no, you are not getting mad. I have written some of the sentences. If I say here, I have been conducting the class for few minutes, few moments. That's why I can say here, oh, I'm getting tired. I'm getting tired. Oh my God, I'm so tired. Why am I getting tired? Because I've been teaching or I've been conducting the class for a few minutes, for a few moments. That's why I'm so tired. I'm so tired. So I can say here in a different way, I'm getting tired. I'm getting tired. Right now I'm getting tired. Okay, however, in a different way, you can say the rest of the sentences, I'm getting bored. Why are you getting bored? Your expression is, I'm getting bored because you are conducting the class for a long moment. I can't pay the attention. That's why I'm getting bored. I'm getting bored. Okay, you are getting bored. It's okay, no problem. But formally, if you like to say here, you can say here, I'm becoming bored or I'm becoming tired. But instead of becoming, I have used here, I'm getting bored, I'm getting tired. That is informal. And the second one, it's okay, just getting plus adjective. In a different way, we can say getting plus adjective. Bored is adjective, tired is adjective. Okay, in a different way, you can say any other example. I'm getting happy, I'm getting pleased. Right now I'm getting pleased, I'm getting happy. Why did I get happy before a while? Because I got a mango. I got a mango. At the beginning of the class or from the beginning of the session, I was so happy. Why? Why did I become happy? Why did I get happy? I got a mango. Because I got a mango, that's why I got happy, I got pleased, I got surprised. It's okay. Thank you very much. I think you got the point. Inshallah. By the way, if you practice in this way, in a different way, with different examples, you can also be successful in this presentation or in this topic. And especially, it's very clear that what's the mere difference between formal and informal, or featuring the verb get, and how is it helpful. Of course, I tried my level best to make you understand, to make you clear. And there are three forms. Get is present form, got is past form, gotten is past participle. And also I would like to make you clear that any other thing, got may be used as the past participle form, but I would like to help you here. When got will be past participle, already we got gotten is past participle form. But if we get past participle form got, again if we get past participle form got, of course got is there. Just I would like to mention you here, got is informal, gotten is formal. So in a different way I can say, just I would like to give you an example. Sometimes ago I have told, or before a while I have told, I got right now I can also say I'm getting tired. I'm getting tired. So if I say here I get tired, I got tired, or I means I have gotten tired. I have gotten tired. Instead of I have gotten tired, you can say I've got tired. But I've got, or I've got, or I have got tired, that is also correct. I've gotten also correct. I've gotten is also correct. But the different thing is that, or the difference is that, or the real thing is that got may be used in two ways, as the past form and as the past participle form. Of course you got the point. But when got will be used as the past form or past participle form, so we can just evaluate it, we can just understand it, or it will be very clear. Got is used for the informal word, gotten is used for the formal word. It's okay. Thank you very much. I hope you all have understood the lesson, and if you enjoy this lesson, of course you will try to keep me in your prayer, so that I can come back with the new lesson, with the new things, with the new ideas, new views, new thoughts. Okay, have a good day, have a good moment. Just for today, Allah Hafiz, Assalamu Alaikum.